We are back. Emily Rourke joins us from the Bryant Law Center, and I said as we went to break we would talk about Zantac, but first we're going to also talk about another lawsuit that has to do with talcum powder.
Right. So talcum powder is a lawsuit that's been going on for a little while, but some new developments have happened, and there's just about 3 things I just want to say about talcum powder. It is basically baby powder. That's what I think everyone thinks of when they think of if you think of talc, just think of baby powder, Johnson & Johnson baby powder. But most women that use that have developed 2 kinds of cancer, either ovarian cancer or meso cancer. And the 2 things that have happened that are such a big deal this week is that the courts have allowed the scientific evidence to come in, and that's used as the Daubert basically, and so it's made leaps and bounds for women that have used that powder and developed those 2 kinds of cancers. The second one is, I just want you to know there's almost 20,000 cases out there, so this is a big deal for women. And third, Johnson & Johnson has recalled Johnson & Johnson baby powder. I mean, this is something that we all have used either ourselves or for our children in the United States. So I just want you to know if you've used that and you have those 2 kinds of cancer as a woman, give us a call. We'd be happy to talk to you.
All right, and we also need to talk about Zantac, and
yes,
and to clear up too that ranitidine is the generic brand and a very popular drug for I guess controlling stomach acid and
acid reflux.
Yes, heartburn. Is it Zantac and ranitidine? It is.
Okay. It's both, and so most people at this point probably would take the ranitidine, the over-the-counter, and you could have both. You could have either one, the generic or the Zantac. And
why was it taken off the shelves?
Okay, so that was taken off the shelves because it also causes cancer. And there has been many epidemiologic, how about I'll just say the scientific studies
there we go,
that are linking it to many causes of cancer. And I'm going to read to you what basically they're saying are the 6 main cancers, but there are many others: stomach, breast, colorectal, thyroid, prostate, and bladder. And I kind of want to point out breast today because for maybe the last 6 months where many firms, including our firm, have been taking these Zantac cases, we've been turning down breast. But there has been some extreme, very reliable studies that now link breast cancer, and there is a good link of scientific link between breast cancer and Zantac or the generic ranitidine. So if you call the firm and they would not take your case because of breast cancer, call them back, call us back, whoever, because I think that is a case that most people should be taking.
All right, Emily Rourke with Bryant Law Center, thanks for coming in. And if you missed this segment with the Bryant Law Center, we will be posting it on WPSTLocal6.com. Just look for Legal Line. More news and weather next after the break.